In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check Instagram profiles without logging in. So to make this work, you need to know the URL of the account that you want to view without logging in. So there's various ways of how you can go about doing this. And let's just say, for example, I want to view The Rock's profile without actually having to log in. And obviously you need to be on a web browser and you need to be on google.com, and then you want to type the person's name plus Instagram into the search bar. So I'll type The Rock Instagram. And then I will just tap on search, and then all those search results will pop up. And as you can see, it says The Rock Instagram, but at the top there it says Instagram app. So if you click on that top result, it's going to go ahead and open the app and ask you to log in. So what you need to do is either find an article where they link to this person's profile, or if you know the person's URL, you can just type it into the search bar and then hit search. So I'll just say as an example, I don't know what The Rock's URL is, but normally it'll be Instagram.com/ and then their username. So, but another thing that you can do is go ahead and let's just say we found a news article. Let's just tap on this one right here. And this is an article about The Rock. So let's just see if we can find where they link to his profile. And right here, there's The Rock's Instagram. And as you can see there, it says view channel. So if I go ahead and tap on that, it's going to ask me, do I want to open the app, which I don't want to do. I want to open it up in Chrome. So I'm going to select Chrome. And now you can see it's brought up The Rock's Instagram profile. And then you just want to tap on where it says not now under see or post from The Rock, not now. And now you can go ahead and scroll The Rock's Instagram without having to log in. You can see at the top it says log in. So I'm not logged in. So the other way to do this is we go into the search bar and type instagram.com and then / and then you want to find out the person's username. So I'll just type in one of my other accounts. That's my username of my other account. I'll hit search and it brings me up my profile and I can scroll through and view all the posts. So that is how you check Instagram without logging in. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.